1. It's a healthy fat. The avocado is virtually the only fruit that has monounsaturated fat. Good fat. According to the dietary guidelines for Americans, good fats are those that can lower bad cholesterol levels, reduce the risk of heart attack and stroke. So, instead of mayonnaise, why not spread some avocado in your toast and sandwiches? 2. Helps lose weight. According to a study published in the Nutrition Journal, 1/2 avocado with lunch can be of great help for overweight individuals, as it keeps you satiated for a longer period of time. According to participants in the study, they had 14% lesser desire for eating for more than 3 hours and 28% lesser desire for eating 5 hours after a meal. 3. Reduces cholesterol level. Statistically speaking, 1 in 3 American adults suffer from problems related to high cholesterol levels, which only double the risk of cardiovascular diseases. However, there are natural ways to lower high cholesterol levels. Studies have shown that regular consumption of avocado is an excellent way to decrease cholesterol levels. Avocado has amazing power to lower blood triglycerides and cholesterol levels, as well as the lower LDL cholesterol levels, and to increase HDL levels. 4. Avocado is rich in nutrients. Avocados have an abundance of nutrients, and each serving has more than 20 vitamins and minerals. Through consumption of 1 avocado, you intake the following recommended daily values: 33% of vitamin C, 21% of vitamin E, 26% of vitamin B6, 53% of vitamin K, 19% of copper, 41% of folate, 28% of potassium, and 28% of pantothenic acid. 5. Improves bone health. Avocados are rich in vitamin K, folate, copper, and numerous other nutrients. When regularly consumed, avocados help in the building and maintenance of strong bones. 6. Helps in digestion. Avocados keep the digestive system working smoothly. A single avocado has 13 grams fiber, which is 54% of the daily recommended